Parents know that as children begin to crawl, walk, and explore the world around them, some falls are inevitable. They're going to happen. Parents also know that certain falls are preventable with proper supervision. This is why it's so important for daycares to supervise and provide a safe, child-proof space for children to play. We're going to break down the most common falls at daycare and how to prevent them. First, and most commonly, are falls from changing tables. Changing tables are necessary to care for infants at a daycare, but they need to be used correctly. When babies aren't closely watched while on a changing table, they're at risk of rolling over and falling off. Falls from changing tables are 100% preventable. They can cause life-threatening injuries like traumatic brain injuries, spinal cord injuries, and even death. The second most common reason are falls from furniture. If a piece of furniture is not secured, it can easily be tipped over. All furniture, including cribs, bouncers, bookshelves, and toys, must be set up correctly and secured so they cannot fall, tip over, or collapse. The third most common reason are falls from playground equipment and other play area spaces. Most infants start crawling around 6 months. Some babies are even able to walk before their first birthday. With that in mind, playtime is usually set up for infants to explore and get to know their surroundings. Caregivers must pay close attention to children as they play because they can begin to climb onto higher surfaces and fall off them. The floor material must be safe for a fall. That means playgrounds need to have ground materials that provide a soft landing, and indoor spaces should have padded mats, rugs, or other materials to help brace a child for a fall. The fourth and final reason is that children must be watched carefully. Supervision is the key to preventing catastrophic injuries from falls. Daycare employees should have visual and auditory awareness for all children they're responsible for. At the Button Law Firm, we've seen firsthand how young kids can be severely injured after a preventable fall. If your child was catastrophically injured in a fall incident at daycare, be sure to reach out to our daycare injury lawyers. We're experienced in helping families get justice and move forward after a life-altering injury has happened. Don't hesitate to contact us today.